Hello everybody and welcome to my cooking show. This is Cooking with Levi. A friend of mine had a great idea. She asked me what editing software I use because she wants to make videos about cooking like this herself. So I thought to myself, that's a great idea. Why not do like the Pilgrims did and take it? So today I'll be showing you how to make cake in a mug. Now the great thing about this recipe is most of it's all in tablespoon measures. So what you're going to start out by doing is measuring 3 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened of course, a pinch of salt, preferably in the bowl and not beside it, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of milk, or condensed milk is what I'm using, egg. Here's the only time you're going to use anything other than a tablespoon, but here's a 1/4 teaspoon rather of vanilla. And to top it all off, 3 tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then what you're going to do is put all that into a mug. And this is all my original recipe. I did not copy it anywhere. If you think so, I'm going to ban you. And I suppose what you could have done is put all the ingredients into the mug first. But if you don't have ape for brain, you can do that way. And then once you got that all mixed up real good, we're gonna throw it in the microwave. And now you might be asking yourself, and I completely agree. Now what you're gonna do next is stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And if you want, you can pause the video for 2 minutes, and then we can both sit and wait for 2 minutes together. Hi, doggy. Now after 2 minutes, what you should have is a cup full of cake. And if it's not cooked yet, you should put it in for a little bit longer. I don't know. I've never had to put it on more than 2 minutes. If you failed, throw it out because you aren't worthy of making cake in a mug. Now once you're all done, you should end up with a cup full of cake. And maybe you can enjoy a nice cup of joe with it too. Oh! Make sure you blow on it first. Thank you for watching. Cake mug. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to make make a cake mug, a mug with cake.